Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 42,094 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors, 2 of the rear sliding doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. Right here. As you can see, the lights did come on. Now they're not there. We're going to take a look over here. The number that you're seeing up top, 67,745. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 42,094. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle on the outside. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.